Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. These are the aspectLED puck lights. aspectLED's puck lights are bright, energy efficient, and attractively styled, and they are a great addition to virtually any installation, either commercial or residential. They come in two styles, classic and diffused. Puck lights are trending because of their versatility and their ability to fit into small places while being easier to install than other recessed and surface mount lights. Our puck lights feature a rear mounting installation ring and require 12 or 24 volt DC power. They work great for under cabinets, in display cases, or even general room lighting, and are a great alternative to our LED strip lights or our higher power recessed lights. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see a helpful install video on this, check out the link in the description. And always remember to like and subscribe.